Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Lake Elsinore, local and long-distance movers near me. The most trustworthy and cheap Lake Elsinore Moving Company will give you all kinds of benefits. 3 Movers offers the right team for your move. We will help you move a small apartment, a large home, or even an entire business. We work with all types of clients, no matter if it's a local or long-distance move. When you choose the right long-distance moving company, you save time and energy. Our team will help you move 100 miles or 3,000 miles, no matter how far you need to go. We offer the necessary moving services, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. We provide you with the necessary benefits to rationalize the cost of hiring a California moving company. When you hire a local moving company, it may not seem necessary. However, we save you a ton of time and make sure you don't have to do any of the heavy lifting. Choosing to hire a top local moving company, such as 3 Movers, means you gain plenty of benefits. We streamline moving day from the minute your move starts. Our team can make a move that would take you all weekend to happen in just a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lake Elsinore moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.